That idea, it's not gonna work. I need to figure something else out. I am ready to go. As you can see, I have my little border line with painter's tape. I've got it all around the boat, and we are gonna start sanding all of this off right here. The whole bottom of the boat, all that's gonna go. I have no idea how long it's gonna take. It's hot today. We're using just a regular all automatic sander, better than hand, of course. Always wear your protective eyewear. Soft block for all those hard to reach places. I have a little soft pad for the sander. I don't know if I'm gonna need this or not, but figured I'd just pull it out just in case. I'm using 80 grit pads today. 80 grit. It is hot today too, guys. It's 57% humidity right now, and it's about 97. Once I get under the hole, it's probably gonna get pretty messy under there, so got my little respirator here to protect my lungs. Breathe from the gut. All right. I'm about to do some sanding.
The reason for the painter's tape is not for the paint just yet, but more as a protector to prevent scratching the waterline and the gel coat. I started with just the edge to get a feel for how the sanding was going to go. After that, I was off and running. It looks like she was originally painted with an anti-fouling paint. This paint is good for preventing marine organisms such as barnacles from attaching to the hull. This stuff is extremely dusty when sanding. It's getting everywhere.
I wasn't expecting all of this. Look at this. It's ridiculous. I just broke my shoe. Damn, I've got to pair back up there.
And more sand. I got her filthy. Time to wash her all down. Think about investing in a power washer. I use mine all the time. I'm painting the hull with a simple Rust-Oleum boat bottom flat black paint. This stuff has been on the shelf for a long time. I've really had to vigorously stir. Don't forget to tack cloth all your surfaces before painting. If you're not familiar, tack cloth is basically a sticky rag that gathers up all the small particles that you don't want getting into your paint. A good once over will do. Reapply some painter's tape, and we're off. Now, Biff, I said 2 coats, not just 1. Hey, what's up everyone? Just want to stop and take a quick second and say, if you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that'll let you know when my uploads are happening. And if you're into the social media thing, I am on Facebook at SV Thunder Road and Instagram and Twitter at SV Thunder Road. Alright, thanks y'all. Back to the episode.
What's up, y'all? I don't know if this is wide enough for angle. I've got a few spots taped up around the windows for the paint. And as I was taping, I realized I'm not going to be able to get away with just painting over this and not sanding. So, I'm going to have to bite the bullet and do some sanding. I really didn't want to do sanding. I really wanted to avoid having to do that. I may as well just do it right the first time, and then I don't have to worry about it. Just get it done, do it. I'm going with a 40 grit. I'm going to try to do this fast, and I'm also using a soft pad because it's not exactly a flat surface everywhere, so I think the soft pad's going to help with that. I have my breathing apparatus and my eye protection wear. Wish me luck. Let's get to it.
All that blue anti-fouling paint we just sanded off the hull? Yeah, that stuff's everywhere now. A friendly reminder to always empty your sander bag. Let's try that again, shall we? I probably spent a good half an hour sanding in here, and to be honest, it didn't really seem to do much but get rid of the already flaky paint. But whatever, I'm happier I did it. Don't forget to clean and shot vac every mess you leave behind. Yeah, sure. I'm also sanding the cabin floorboards and storage covers and repainting those and the inside of the cab with a semi-gloss white Rust-Oleum topside boat paint. Nice and shiny. time to peel back all that tape and take a look at what we got.